Hello, and welcome to Lawful Insight. My name is Trisha Morales Padilla, and I'm going to be giving people who are going through divorce and custody matters some insight into questions that you may have to help make the road a little less bumpy. If while you're listening to this podcast you have any questions, feel free to email us at lawfulinsightpodcast@gmail.com. You can give us a call at 210-410-8013, or you can also look at our website at moralespadillalaw.com. Today I want to talk a little bit about CPS involvement in divorce and custody. So I'm involved in CPS, now what? So first I want to break down CPS and the different phases that they have. So when they get an initial intake, it goes into an investigation. If they feel that there's something further that they need to work with the parents on, it goes into what's called family-based services. And then from there, you either still have the children with you, or you have a safety plan in place where somebody supervises you, or maybe the children go to a family member. And then from there, if it needs to go past family-based services, then it goes into what's called a legal case, where you actually, your rights are subject to being terminated, and you possibly get court-appointed attorneys and so on and so forth. Now, how that coincides with divorce and custody is that if you are already into a legal case where CPS is involved and they're the managing conservator of the children, you cannot do a divorce and you cannot fight for custody, because the CPS case needs to resolve itself first prior to any further proceedings that are going to take place. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to consult an attorney to find out exactly where in the process you are and what can be done about your divorce and your custody. Sometimes, if you're just barely in the beginning into a family-based services case, you can come to some kind of an agreement, possibly depending on your case. You can come to some kind of an agreement with a family member or a neutral third party to have custody of the kids, so that way it doesn't progress further into CPS. But for the time being, as far as filing for divorce in any type of a custody suit that you may have with the other parent, that is all going to be on hold while you're in CPS. And part of the reason being too is that when you're involved in CPS, whether it be the mother or the father as the offending party, everybody's brought in as far as both parents, and they're both evaluated as far as the case goes. So definitely consult with an attorney. It gets a little bit complicated when CPS is involved and they start investigating and stuff like that and wanting you to make a safety plan. So go ahead and consult with an attorney about your facts of your case and have them give you their best advice from there. If you want to give us a call, feel free to give us a call at 210-410-8013. You can email us at lawfulinsightpodcast@gmail.com, or you can check us out on the web at moralespadillalaw.com. And again, I want to thank you for listening to this podcast about CPS and how it intertwines with divorce and custody. If you are listening to this on Podbean, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe so you'll get the latest episodes. And if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you.